How to fix Poppy Bank app not working. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Solution 1. Update the app. For that, open your Play Store. Now search for the app Poppy Bank. After app appears, at the right corner of the app, you'll find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Solution 2. Clear cache for the app. For that, long press on the app, click on this eye icon. With that, you'll land to the app info page. Now at the bottom right, you'll find the option of clear data. Click on it. Click on clear cache. Click on OK. Click on clear all data. Click on OK. Likewise, click on the option of force stop. Click on OK. Once you do that, close this. Now you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If you still encounter this issue, apply solution 3. Completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. For that, long press on the app. Click on eye icon. At the bottom, you will see the option of uninstall. Click on it. Click on OK. Once you uninstall this app, close this. Search for the app Poppy Bank. After app appears, at the right corner of the app, you'll see the option of install. Click on it and install the app. Applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix Poppy Bank app not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.